I had failing teeth and just running my own business, being self-employed, it just wasn't a good look. I used to smile. My wife said that I used to smile all the time. And for years I didn't smile because I was embarrassed. They slowly started from the back, lost them just all the way up towards the eye teeth and stopped smiling. We have a cleaning service, windows, pressure washing, carpet cleaning, janitorial. I'm around a lot of people, and if you don't make an impression that first meet, you lose them. Especially in this day and age, you think first thing they think when they're missing teeth that you got a person who's an addict or I didn't smile. Kept make sure that I kept my lip down further. We've cleaned for him for many years. Very laid back, just like me. Got a business for himself. Takes care of their business. That's the main thing. Takes care of the person. That's what the person wants. Just feeling safe about it, not worth the worry that could hurt me, this could mess my teeth up completely. The tops are done, just the top. I wish I would have done both. I just didn't do it. If I could do it again, I'd have top and bottom and been done with it. And it's not painful, but it is a process and it does take a little bit. But once they're done and healed, you're good to go. Be gentle and they'll heal and you'll have steaks, whatever. I can eat whatever now.